In our daily life, from our workplace to our home and everywhere else in between, rubber components manufactured by GMORS is ubiquitous, and our products are dedicated to improving the quality of human life. GMORS is a global manufacturer of rubber sealing components with its headquarters in Taiwan. Through continuous development and expansion, our third factory, GMORS Thailand, was established in 2012 to better serve the needs of the automotive industry, improve local customer service, expedite delivery, and ensure the availability of inventory. GMORS world-class manufacturing uses the highest quality raw materials sourced from trusted suppliers. And our products are found in diversified industries ranging from automotive, oil and gas, healthcare and medical, to hydraulic and pneumatic, and more. Quality assurance is the hallmark of our commitment to our customers. Quality of raw materials is inspected before entering production, with additional inspections throughout various stages of the manufacturing process. During production, GMOR's team of engineering experts uses advanced technologies to ensure compliance and precision. MES Intelligent Management System is applied at every stage to control, manage, and monitor factory work in progress and provide reliable traceability. With our many years of experience and manufacturing expertise, we are well placed to meet the requirements of our customers. GMORS has attained IATF 16949, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and ISO 9001 certification, in line with our goal to make quality assurance our top priority. GMORS Thailand is your trusted and reliable partner for high-quality rubber components and sealing products. GMORS Rubber International Thailand Company Limited, GMORS, seals to your heart.